July, you guys, we are already on fire. We've just gotten started in July. It has been incredible. People are joining, people are ranking up, bonuses are happening. It's just so exciting. The momentum is high. So with that being said, I want to welcome all the new members that have joined this week to our HBN family. And here's just a small percentage of people here in this picture. It's been incredible to watch everyone coming in and all the excitement that each new person brings. It's been a week of growth, laughter, as you've heard me and Jen so far here, fun and money. It's also been a week of leaders stepping up to help train and guide the new people, and a week of welcoming new people into the family. I just love how everyone steps up to succeed. I want to say congratulations for being on this call, for looking at this company, and for looking at the opportunity HBNaturals has created for us. This is a call to help you decide if this company, HBNaturals, is the company that you want to align yourself with. A company you can see calling a home with, because that's exactly what HBN has been built on. A long-term company where you can plant your feet here and grow with the company. We want this to be the last company you are proud to be involved with. I know myself, when I was looking for a new company last year of May 2018, I was looking for certain criteria. HBN met all my requirements and more. I was looking for products that I could trust, that were truly natural, plant-based, as transparency is so important to me. I was looking for a company that had similar ethics to mine. I was looking for honesty, integrity, and I really wanted a company that truly supported their customers, because I am very customer-based, and consultants, as I really love my team. I wanted a company with a CEO who would be open, who would communicate with us openly, and for a pay plan that was amazing. And trust me, guys, HBN's pay plan is above and beyond anything I've ever seen in my 8 years in this industry. It's like they took bits and pieces of all the comp plans around from different companies, put it into one nice package, and handed it to us. Already today, I've made over $600. That's, this is not money guaranteed, this is my personal results, but it's been life-changing. HBN met my criteria and more. HBN was made with a CEO's vision of inclusion, that everyone who works hard deserves success. This company is rewriting the rules on how this industry works, and on network marketing, helping people all over the world with little to no marketing experience. HBN is a company where there are real products for real people. This is a real opportunity for anyone with a desire and passion for helping others while setting your own hours. Whether you want to do this as a full-time job like I do, I'm so blessed to be able to work from home, a part-time job, or as a side gig, this business was designed for you. The real person with a real life. HBN is a company where you can join for free or as little as $25. A company where the sky's the limit and opportunity is possible. We hope HBN will be your forever home, and we look forward to welcoming you into the family. I have the pleasure of introducing my co-host tonight, Jennifer Chapkin. Jen, that sounds so funny saying Jennifer. She's a platinum leader, a mom of 4, and just an enthusiast for health and wellness. And I know she's a product of her products, and I'm just so proud of her every day.
Hey, thanks. Hi, everybody. So our company was launched with one simple purpose, and that's to share the synergistic healing trilogy products that were formulated with the healing power of plants. We all have a story to tell, a story of passion, heartbreak, illness, and success. And just like us, HBN has a story as well. A story of illness when our amazing CEO, Paula, and her amazing supportive husband, Ben, were given the news that Ben had vasculitis. This is a terrible and painful diagnosis. HBN's story is also a story of passion and belief in natural medicine. Paula reached out to her friend Alexandria Brighton and asked her for help. Alexandria recommended the healing trilogy that she formulated called Mind, Body, and Soul, which leads to the story of success. Ben got better and HBN was born. You can read about Ben's story on our website, and so be sure to check it out. It's really powerful, it's really moving, it's wonderful. So the HBN belief system is simple, and it's been demonstrated every day for the past 6 years with our parent company, and for the past 2 years here with HBN, to always be authentic, ethical, and transparent, and we always respect the partnership we have with our consultants. HBN has a level playing field for all without favoritism and special deals or advanced placement for our industry leaders. So you can go to work here and invest your heart and time and dreams, knowing that we will always be standing beside you. HBN is a debt-free global company owning all the offices and warehouses. That means we never miss a commission pay, and today is compression day, which we do every Thursday. So HBN is also a family-owned company without investors. One thing that makes us different from other companies is our formulator, Alexandria Brighton. She is exclusively HBN's formulator for all of our products. So she has over 30 years of experience in Ayurvedic medicine, aromatherapy, herbal, and natural remedy world. Alexandria's formulas were the foundation of multiple billion-dollar companies and now are exclusively owned by us here at HBN. It's incredible. Oh, and another thing I love is that we're very purpose-driven. Everyone at HBN genuinely cares about helping people. So we want to build an extraordinary company that makes a positive difference in health and people of the world with products that we can stand behind with a 60-day buy and try guarantee. We are farm direct also. We source and purchase pristine, nutritional, enriched, organic, GMO-free ingredients directly from farmers without middle agents. So this results in the best price for you, our customer, and a fair profit for the farmers. We're also earth-friendly. HBN is committed to sustainability, so this means we strive to provide the most economic and eco-friendly products as possible. HBN also offers amazing incentives to help you build your business, like our incredible gift card marketing program. This provides you with an easy way to introduce Heart and Body Naturals products to others. So you'll have the ability to offer gift cards carrying a true $25 value off their initial order with no strings attached and having only to pay for shipping and handling. When someone tries HBN products, you can make money. When someone enrolls as a customer, you can make more money. And when someone enrolls with one of our value packs, they save $25 and they get 12 free $25 gift cards of their own to share with others. It's incredible. So Heart and Body Naturals gift cards help create momentum, duplication, and more income for you. And trust me, you guys, this works well. Plus, we also have the most amazing MRP, which is the Member Rewards Program. This was created as a way for Heart and Body Naturals to show appreciation for you, our loyal customers. And this is another amazing one. The Member Rewards Program is an optional monthly auto delivery rewards program, which will earn up to 30% of your monthly orders and free product credit. So Member Reward points, I'm thinking about products because that's what you get. Anyways, these can be used like cash to receive additional free HBN products of your choice.
I just love that program. I got the entire skincare line with my MRP points. I just love that we are getting rewarded for being loyal, and it's easy to be loyal because our products really, really work. I am a product person, and they work. They work so well. You know what else I love about HBN? And there's so many things, you guys, and it always changes every week. But I love that like Jen talked about there briefly, our products are organic, non-GMO, cruelty-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, animal cruelty-free, and that we have products for everyone from people to pets. We have over 60 plus products. We have a terrific CBD line, essential oils, an amazing pet line, top-notch superfoods, the mind, body, and soul that Jen spoke about, that Ben used. Our biomineral line is incredible and so exciting. From sleep cream to pain cream to everything in between. Our Entourage is one of my most favorites. It's a black seed full spectrum oil. We have amazing weight loss products that are helping so many people to lose weight in an all natural way. I know myself and Jen are losing weight using these products because they work with real life. And we are regaining our health doing so. We have so many products that we can stand by and feel good about sharing. So every week we do a product spotlight. And this week I want to talk about lavender ice. I love this product. It is an amazing essential oil blend that works for headaches, as well as sinus, issues, any trauma, sprains, strains. It is great. So for headaches, you apply it to your temples, your foreheads, over the ear, of the by the hairline, across the base of your neck. Be careful not to get it too close in your eyes, right, Marcus? This can be repeated as necessary. Lavender ice is great for tight muscles, strains, sprains from blunt trauma, such as slamming your finger or your toe in the door. You know how much that hurts. So you just gently massage it in, and you can repeat as necessary. It can be rubbed gently under the sides of your nose to relieve any nasal congestion. I know when I had a sinus infection, I just rubbed a little bit on by my sinuses, and it really helps. My kids use this all the time. My Olivia gets headaches all the time. She rolls a little bit on her forehead, and we are good to go. So anyone with migraines or headaches, I recommend lavender ice. If you have migraines as well, we have another product called Magnesium Be Calm. They pair well together, but lavender ice works so well alone. It is one of my most favorite roll-on blends. And all new customers save 5% off their first order automatically as well. I tell you, this company just gets better and better and better. So that is one of my most favorite products. So you've been sitting here now for about 10 minutes, and you're wondering, what about the comp plan? Well, normally I don't talk comp plan. Normally someone else does, but I'm going to talk about it today because our comp plan is top-notch amazing. Like I said earlier, we have the best compensation plan in any network marketing company that I have ever seen. HBN's incentive plan is exciting. We have opportunities that reward you for referring our product and for sponsoring others to participate to do the same. With HBN, everyone has the opportunity to earn. We offer free membership, and you can qualify to earn commissions on orders placed by your personal members with no personal purchase required. All of our members automatically qualify for the 20% Fast Start bonus. And best of all, we are paid in real time every single day. So I can log into my back office and I can see where every dime, penny, everything is coming from, and I can withdraw my money today if I wanted. A personal purchase is not required to earn this 20%, and there are no caps or limits to how much you can earn every day. There's 7 ways that HBN can pay you. HBN took the best parts of retailing, unilevel pay, forced matrix pay, infinity bonuses, and company-wide profit sharing pools, and combined them into one simple, honest, and easy way to achieve 7 ways to earn. Free from gimmicks and gotchas, so everyone has a real opportunity to earn. We give you 7 websites for free. You never have to pay for your back office, and that back office is full of support and training. So let's look at 1. We are paid retail. You earn 50% on the commissionable volume on retail orders placed on your free shop.com site. You earn 50% commissions with no personal purchase. Like, that just blows my mind. It's incredible. 2, Fast Start, earning up to 30% on wholesale orders placed by your personally enrolled members in their first 90 days, not yours, their first 90 days. You can earn the 20% Fast Start bonus without a personal purchase. This just keeps blowing my mind when I went over this. 3, the Star bonus. Now, this is one of my most favorite bonuses I've ever seen. It's unlimited monthly bonus when you have 100 PV, 2 first generation with 100 PV, 4 second generations with 100 PV, and 8 third generations with 100 PV. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Once you're in, it's a very easy system. So far in this year, I've made $23,000 from the Star bonus. Trust me, you guys, when I said it is incredible, it is mind-blowing. Again, these are my personal results. 4, the Matrix Money Friday. Earn up to $1 for every 50 CD order placed by members in your business, no matter who enrolled them, when you have 25 or 50 PV. And today is compression day, you guys. So if you are a member, please make sure you empty your tanks, because tomorrow is Matrix Money Friday. And I just love watching everyone's pay. I just love it. People post their pay, so excited. It just gets me so pumped up. Binary. Oh, when I first saw binary, I went, oh, I don't really like binaries. Well, HBN's binary, I love. It is instant pay. Earn 4 to 8 to 12% depending on your PV when there's 200 CV on your left leg and 200 CV on your right leg. It is incredible. I earn more on my binary than I do my customer sales now. Match. Team building. Earn up to 50% check match on binary commissions on executive consultants that you enroll up to 7 generations deep. That is incredible to watch. And rank advancement, guaranteed money, earn up to $190,000 in rank advancements bonuses. And this, I just absolutely love watching everyone rank up Pearl and above. The money, you guys, is seriously life-changing. It is going to be, that's why I'm going to be able to buy my house this year. We also have, well, here's the star bonus. I'm a little behind on my slide, sorry. We also have the appreciation plan. At Heart and Body Naturals, we believe it's important that our consultants receive recognition for hard work and dedication that they demonstrate in sharing our products and mission with the world. Thanks to the large part of our consultants' willingness and efforts in sharing our products and missions, we continue to grow and change lives. The gifts are amazing. We are seeing bracelets and necklaces and bling galore for the guys and for the women. I just absolutely love it. And they're rolling out daily. We get people saying, oh my gosh, look at this beautiful bracelet. Oh my, look at this gorgeous necklace. I just love that we are rewarded again just for doing something that we love. So this is truly a company where you are not alone. We work as a team and a family, and we want everyone to succeed. We have amazing tools and the resources, everything you need to be successful in this company. We have the best products, the best compensation plan, a CEO with such amazing passion, heart, drive, love, integrity, and leadership. She is one fabulous lady, you guys. We want this to be the we want this to be the company you can retire with. We want to give you all the support and knowledge so you know that there's nothing better out there. It is a powerful and easy duplicatable system. All you have to do is connect with the person who added you to this call, get plugged in, and lock in your position tonight. Like Jen said, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. It's really up to you to take the action to make it happen like so many of our fantastic leaders have. There's no experience necessary, and everyone is able to do this. So I want to thank you so much for joining us tonight, and we look forward to getting to know you and seeing your success here at HBN. So again, you guys, please remember, get back to the person that brought you to this call or who's showing you this call. Grab your free position tonight on our team, and come and check out. If you're still unsure, we have a great group on Facebook called Earn, Earn, and Prosper. It is open to anyone who wants to learn more about the company. There's no obligation to be in there, so come join that group. So you guys, you can unmute your mics if you want, say good night, tell us where you're from, and thank you for joining us, and I love you guys very much. Thank you.
Okay, thanks everybody.
Guys.
Bye everybody.
Bye. You guys can unmute your mics if you want.